Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Blasts, where we give you the best tips to improve your classroom learning. And this week's tip is to use Coggle. And Coggle is a superb online mind mapping tool useful for revision or for note-taking in class. To access Coggle, what you want to do is head on over to coggle.it and then log in. And following this, all you need to do is just click Create New Diagram at the top left. And from here, it will then create a blank mind map for you to use. And to add branches off of this, all you need to do is find one of the corners and then click on the add icon here. But you can also add images to your mind maps, and you can do that by adding another branch off of this. And then you can decide whether you want to add a link here or if you want to upload an image. If you want to learn more about how to use Coggle, why not watch the Coggle tutorials playlist linked on screen now. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.